सो वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑटो गिक मानस। और आज का जो व्लॉग है ये किसी पर्टिकुलर कार के बारे में नहीं है, कुछ न्यू लॉन्च के बारे में नहीं है। ये व्लॉग एक ऐसा व्लॉग है जिसमें आज मैं बात करूँगा प्री ओन कार्स के बारे में। तो यूजुअली प्री ओन कार्स, अगर मैं सिंपल बोलूँ, सेकेंड हैंड कार्स एंड जो नॉर्मल कार्स होती हैं वो काफ़ी ईजी होता है उनको ढूंढना, उनके बारे में आजकल काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं उनके बारे में। बट जब बात आती है लग्जरी कार्स की, लाइक जिसमें मैं बैठा हूँ अभी, बेंटले में बैठा हूँ अभी, तो अगर इस लेवल की कार की बात आती है तो भी इंडिया मार्केट में अभी इसका बूम बढ़ता जा रहा है प्री ओन कार्स के उसमें। तो इसके लिए आज मैं आया हूँ बॉयज़ एंड मशीन्स में, where we will get a wide range of pre-owned luxury cars along with the after sale service and much more. So आज के ब्लॉग में आपको complete information दूंगा pre-owned luxury cars with boys and machines. तो start करते हैं आज का ब्लॉग। So I am inside the boys and machines showroom and यहाँ पे wide range of luxury pre-owned cars है। तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ पे बेंटले है, ठीक है। अगर मैं आपको और रेंज दिखाऊँ तो here will find the Mini is here, the Audi is here and उसके पीछे the Volvo is here and वहाँ पे मुझे एक Hummer and BMW भी दिख रहे हैं। तो almost every kind of luxury car is here and if you are thinking कि pre-owned है तो इनकी quality and all कैसी होगी, maintenance कैसी होगी, तो I'll show you, मैं आपको वो भी दिखाता हूँ कि बॉयज़ एंड मशीन में से कैसे रखा जाता है। तो यहाँ पे बेंटले है, तो मैं इसे ओपन करके आपको दिखाता हूँ। तो इसके इंटीरियर्स एज फ्रेश एज अ न्यू कार है। तो आई मस्ट से यहाँ पे मेंटेनेंस जो है बॉयज़ एंड मशीन्स की प्री ओन कार्स की काफ़ी अच्छी है। एंड हियर यू विल फाइंड द सुपर बाइक्स ऑल्सो। सो सिर्फ कार्स ही नहीं, यहाँ पे जैसे मेरे सामने डुकाटी खड़ी है तो इट्स अ सुपर बाइक। सो अंडर वन रूफ यू कैन यू कैन बाय अ सुपर कार एंड सुपर बाइक ऑल्सो। So now we have the man himself, the CEO of Boys and Machines, and आज we will get to know about what is the Boys and Machines exactly from him directly.
Thanks Manas for having us at Boys and Machines, and so just a brief intro about what we do. We started this venture last year in October, where we are currently being operational with 4 showrooms across India. Very geographically been diverted to north, south, east and west. So we have a current headquarters at Gurugram, then we have a display studio at Mumbai, at Calcutta and Hyderabad respectively. We are catering to all segment vehicles with a starting entry level of 25 lakhs and goes up to 3.5 crores. So it being it a 3 Series or a CLA to a Camry, going up to a S-Class, a Maybach, to a Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Lamborghini, Huracan, Aveo, 488s, everything. So we are keeping a mixed blend so that any customer is warm welcome to have it at a showroom. We don't bluntly say no, but yes, we cater to all the automotive solutions under one roof.
Okay, so like as you said that you provide all the services. So is there any you are selling the pre-owned cars? So is there any you are providing any after servicing and all for these cars?
Yes, of course. As we said that we are into auto solutions pan India. For us, we built up this brand just not to offer exotic vehicles, but also to have a taste and a blend to maintain these cars.
Exactly.
So starting from insurance renewal to regular service maintenance to body kits to V-label wraps, ceramic coatings, we do everything.
So all kind of services.
Yes.
Starting from insurance and
everything. So for our customers, just need to refuel your tank and enjoy the ride. Rest everything will be catered by Boys and Machines everywhere. So even if you have a customer who is stationed at tier 2 locations or tier 3 locations, or maybe something where our physical showroom is not there, my team flies around to the place and get the car service at customer's doorstep.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are the pre-owned cars. So how do you check the quality and all before
Definitely, it's today this industry is all about assurance, quality standards and delivering the experience to your customers, because the stage is all about 100% retention. So for us, every customer is equally important. So any car which we buy comes with a complete RTO check with history check, so we give in writing as well that all cars come with a complete track record, so there is no accidental record, there is no meter tampering on the car and no litigation case as well. Also, along with all the vehicles, we provide you a 6 months backed up warranty on engine and transmission and a 1-year assured buyback policy as well.
Okay.
So a lot of customers who tend to go into a sports car or something even like Bentley GT Coupe, they tend to have these cars for a tenure of maybe maximum a year or maybe 8 months and 9 months. So they keep on rotating these cars. That's why we come with the buyback policy. So they have an assurance that at certain percentage they give the car back to us and take another car in exchange. So that's how the cycle and the rotation goes on. Today even we are starting with something like a 2018 Discovery Sport with us.
Okay.
Parked at 47 lakhs to something even like a 2013 GT Coupe V8. One of the India's heavily loaded Bentleys. It's handcrafted. So definitely offering at a mouth-watering price of 1.29 crores.
Okay.
Going up to something which is like just a 4,000 kilometers clocked down Mini Cooper, 3-door.
Okay. So
At
if
just 19 lakhs 99,000 to even something like a Audi S4, a 3-liter turbocharge, something a sporty, daily drivable 4-door at an affordable price of 27 lakhs. So might as well people who tend to spend 40 odd lakh rupees on a Toyota Camry today, a brand new, they buy something like 24 lakh rupees a Volvo from me, or maybe a 47 lakh rupees a Discovery Sport. So that's how the blend and the pricing are being kept. So yes, the demand for pre-owned cars is increasing today because we know we are sitting in a global world where new car market is going towards a segment order. So you place an order today, there is a waiting period, then you buy a car.
Exactly.
So that's why we don't have a mentality that we spend a crore and wait for a 7 months period. So that's why they go for a pre-owned cars. So that's something like a state-of-the-art workshop. It's spread over 7,000 square feet area, catering to all patterns. So it's not about what we are selling, only we service those cars. We are always warm welcome to customers to get even car service like Honda City, servicing to a Bentley CGT convertible, to a Hummer, to even a Discovery Sport, to a Range Rover Vogue autobiography. We are servicing each and everything. We are currently into regular service maintenance. Yes, of course, if something like a minor parts like which is easily available, like a bumper replacement or a mirror replacement, yes, we do that as well.
सो नाउ आई एम द वर्कशॉप बॉयज़ एंड मशीन्स की खुद की वर्कशॉप है जहाँ पे सारी सर्विसिंग मेंटेनेंस एंड सब की जाती है. ये वो एरिया जहाँ पे बॉडी कोटिंग टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग सब की जाती है इस एरिया में. एंड उसके आगे मैं दिखाऊं तो यहाँ पे सारी बॉडी किट्स वगैरह पे काम किया जाता है. एज यू कैन सी मेरे सामने एक बेंटले खड़ी है तो इस पर बॉडी किट्स वगैरह का सब काम किया जा रहा है. उसके अलावा जो रेगुलर सर्विस एंड ऑल होती है वो वहाँ सामने जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जैसे कि बॉयज़ एंड मशीन की स्पेशलिटी है नॉट ओनली दी यहाँ से खरीदी हुई प्री-ओन्ड लग्जरी कार्स की सर्विसिंग होती है. इनफैक्ट एनीवन कैन कम फॉर द मेंटेनेंस. एंड यहाँ पे एक अलग चैम्बर है पूरा पेंट जॉब के लिए. एज यू कैन सी अंदर काम चल रहा है होंडा सिटी पे. तो इट्स अ रियली लाइक अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग.
सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस व्लॉग. आई होप आपको इस प्री-ओन्ड सेगमेंट की कार्स के बारे में काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली हो एंड बॉयज़ एंड मशीन्स के बारे में. तो आई कैन से यू दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कम एंड एक्सपीरियंस द प्री-ओन्ड लग्जरी कार्स. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. टिल देन टेक केयर, गुड बाय.